Good day, everyone. Yes, my name is Seun from Nigeria. I'm here to share my little experience with Ambrish Quick Patente course that I purchased. If you are having some difficulty in understanding the driving lessons, the theory test, especially because it's an Italian language and you're a beginner, maybe you don't understand any Italian, I'm here to tell you that Ambrish Quick Patente course is going to help you a lot if you put in the hard work also. I was able to purchase the web access course for a token of €180 and I was able to pass the test at the first attempt with just 1 error. This was a game changer for me through Ambrish Quick Patente. So I want to encourage you, if you can enroll for the live classes, it will help you. As Ambrish explains in English language, the courses, the driving lessons in a way that you will understand. And if you cannot attend the live class, you can purchase the web access. The goal is to ace the test and then explains the tricky questions to you that can be tricky in the exam that many people fail. Also, it will speed up your success like it did for mine. So I'm very, very happy and I'm sharing my experience. Just for a token of €180, you will get more benefit from it and you will also have your own success in this theory test. Thank you.